be turned up. We be turned up, yeah. We be turned up.
Yeah.
In the club, we be turned up.
Yeah.
In my squad, yeah.
Yeah.
We be turned up.
And turn.
Me and Omari.
Yeah.
We be turned up.
Yeah.
In the club, yeah.
Yeah.
We be turned up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jump up and down, Omari, yeah.
What is up, E-Gang? It's your girl, this is the name. We are back with another video.
Wait a minute, you be doing
Hey guys!
So this is a little weekend vlog. So we got a whole gang in here. Gang.
Yeah.
Like, I don't want to leave that thing now. So today I'm going to be doing his hair.
Yeah. You need a retwist, bitch.
Kenny up in the building, period. So yes, I'm finna retwist his hair. And then y'all probably not gonna see us until the weekend. Today is currently Tuesday, December 9th. Yo, it's 7:27 and he's rushing me. So we about to get this thing started.
She said take your time, what's your rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm one. She said take your time, what's your rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm one. I'm a dog, I'm a money. I can smoke already so cold in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty fading so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a money. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a money. I'm a dog, I'm a money. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause I'm trying breaking it in. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down to you. Said I'll put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a man.
I got you on my my mood board. I wanna live in your skin. When I jump out, you jump in. I fit all this in my pants. Same way I fit you in my plans. Let the fact that we just.
What's up, guys? It is the next day. I decided to stay home today with my munchkin because he wasn't feeling good this morning. I took him to the doctor this morning and he's doing okay, so we just decided to stay home today.
I just the doctor.
So we just have some, some little minor stuff we gotta do for munchkin. I'm gonna clean up and then I need to start taking out my hair because we have family photos on Saturday and I'm like super excited. Nobody else is excited, but I'm excited. I love doing family things like that. We all have matching pajamas, including Amari. We did get it from Walmart, but I am super excited about that. So y'all gotta take out my hair. I was gonna leave them in here, but I love these braids down. I love these braids down. Do you hear me?
Hey guys, I just want to wake up with it.
But I would check back in with y'all when I'm actually doing something, or I'll come chit chat with y'all while I'm taking out my hair. I don't know yet. But and another thing, if you are new, hit that subscribe button. Like, it's a family over here. And if you're not new, welcome back, Stinky.
Yeah.
Welcome back. Make sure y'all hit that bell so y'all know when I post, because your girl's in her content bag, like, for sure. I went and got a fill-in yesterday too. I just got the same thing, y'all. I'm a French tip girly. French tip down. Like, French tip girly. I can't help it. So today is Thursday, December 11th. Y'all, I am tired. It's currently 7:37 and I have to tackle this hair because I can't do it tomorrow because we're going to see the lights tomorrow after we get off. My voice is kind of hoarse. Don't know where it came from, but
Friends, and I hate that we just friends. Round two, he want revenge over and over again and again. I really need somebody. Tell me you got somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Damn, sheesh, you make it so hard to be picked.
know we both can play. For tonight I'm yours, so tonight the truth will stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you, even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong, but no one knows but us. The feelings rush every single time we touch, even though it's what we want, can't keep this up. No, but
It is Friday, December 12th, and it's a slight change of plans. So we're not gonna go to the lights tonight. We're probably gonna go tomorrow. A little switch up in the plans, so we might go tomorrow. We'll probably hit y'all back up when I'm doing something. And I low-key tomorrow I want to do gingerbread houses and pictures of gingerbread houses, and I want to watch the Polar Express tomorrow. Still want to watch it on Christmas, but I'm gonna watch it tomorrow, or either this Christmas, one of them. I got some little hot chocolate packets. I got one of them came in a pack that my boss gave us, and yeah. But I'll hit y'all back up when we actually doing something. So we have made it to the picture. How you doing? Then we gotta take pictures. We have made it to the pictures. Because y'all, we never got on. Now where we go? I don't know. Right there. Let's go right there. I hope I did go all the way. You know I'm gonna break it. Have a seat back here, and then I'm gonna call you up in a second. Okay, thank you. Huh? Did you take it through, or so you gonna I like the way she did it. Not good. I love that little bit. It's so big. Like I'm worried. Look, she got a good mouth. Everybody looks around you. You sit here.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can't give it all if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool. Let's hide the photos when I see you walking across the room. Let us know what's lasting now. That I won't get in the mood. And I'll find a day every mistletoe until I know it's true. Now, let me give these up. So next Christmas, I'm not all alone, boy.
Okay, y'all all gonna be in line. We can get in line. Let's go to the college. We can go to the college. Everybody just push your head on each other's shoulders. Yep, squeeze it. There we go.
So next Christmas, I'm not alone. So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. So tell me if you're really there. 'Cause I can't give it all if you won't be here next year.
Bring your down. Like a little slow, okay. There we go. 1, 2, everybody. Oh, you had to do this too. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3. That came out cute. Good. Do we want to do one? Yeah, look at me. Oh, you wasn't ready. Hold on. Open your eyes. Can I have y'all two lay down on the floor, like sideways, how we would have y'all earlier? Y'all want to cross y'all arms? Or you can do that. Not a little closer to that. There you go. They're back to back. You come straight, or you come here, or you can prison pose. Can you prison pose?
head, just walking your head a little bit. Are we smiling or are we serious? Okay, everybody serious? Do a smile. Okay, do that. Can you put your right here just because he's on it?
Is this good?
Yes. Perfect. Can y'all squeeze in the middle? There you go. Sorry, I backed up to super small. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That came out nice. That was it. Don't want to do one more together? Everybody do something random. Mom, you can stand there in the middle while they doing something.
Yeah, because
you stand in the middle and just roll your eyes like that. If mom stands like this, when y'all can go between her legs like this. Oh yeah, come on.
Wait a minute. Let me put it on.
Who can do it? It's not too much, Mom, just a little bit.
Maybe I used to good.
Oh yeah, or have. It's a little bit. So come on. Well, Anna, you have me. Come on.
Just want it. Just want to.
There you go. Yep, slide up a little bit more. And then you come like this, like the angel.
Y'all
can go back to back with mom if y'all want.
Not, thank
Oh, some of them not. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That came out cute. Okay, perfect. Voice. Oh my god.
Hey,
She's like, I can't say it.
Okay. Alright. I'm alright. You can hear my phone ringing. She can hear my phone.
2, 3, cheese. That came out nice. Okay. After do one more. Y'all want to put him, y'all want to let him stand. Oh yeah?
Oh my.
Why do it? Why do your Spider? No, look, do your Spider-Man pose.
Bend down. Do your Spider-Man.
Do your Spider-Man.
Popeye, now you gonna do it with you.
This Spider-Man?
Look. Do it, Mark.
Look,
Do it with me and Popeye.
Cool.
Do it.
Oh, you can do your piece, you can do your piece emojis in between.
There you go.
That was
Good
good.
job, Sticky.
Blow the pictures and crop them down, and then we'll bring out to the front. Okay. Good job. Now you want to.
We are done. About to go to the food court with some food. Oh yeah. Ah, don't zip it up. No, don't zip it up.
I don't care about none of that.
Hey, don't. Yeah, what you want to eat? Huh? Yeah. Come on, Sticky. Shut up, like. On our way back. Let me see how far from my kitchen now. How far what? From my, I'm gonna see how far from my kitchen now. Because y'all wanna go sit over there with that?
Damn, I was doing my food now.
No, I'm not. He's not.
You already got the mac and cheese?
No, I'm gonna go get it now. I'll just let you know that I'm gonna get him something up.
You asked for it.
Boy, need to go back.
Let me get some more. Get it. Do you have a fork?
What you looking at?
Don't give me him.
$9. A whole toy.
Thank you.
Need a napkin.
Yes, I need some napkins.
Okay, so.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so it's a few hours later. Yes, I still got on my pajamas because I won't finish changing them clothes. I'll change them clothes when I get back. But my parents want some Alfredo. So we're gonna make like a honey. I'm gonna make a honey glazed salmon, and then I'm gonna make chicken and shrimp too as well. They want that too, so. But yes, my mom's gonna help me cook. So I might see her in the vlog helping cook. But yeah, this is like a little Mini Cook With Me. Y'all already, I think, if y'all been watching for a while, y'all already seen me make, yeah, y'all already seen me make it, so. But if not, then y'all gonna see me make it again. This is my first time making honey glaze, though. Y'all, them pictures came out so cute. Like, y'all, if y'all follow me on Instagram and y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all have already seen them. But JCPenney, y'all need to go to JCPenney and get them pictures made, like, ASAP. Like, really, really nice, okay? But I'm gonna hit y'all back up when I get to the store. I might have a little jam session. Yeah.
I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Shout it thick, thicker than a snicker. Every time she do this for me and my niggas. And a friend do it with her. She don't even like girls, but a stack will make her kiss her. Go and kiss her, go and kiss her, go and kiss her. She don't even like girls, but a stack will make her kiss her. Go and kiss her, go and kiss her, go and kiss her. She keep fucking around on launch dismissal. Go and kiss her. She make us rock, then jiggle. Put on the show the end, bring that dough in. Booty bigger than a Samoan. I'm in the stage every time, shout it go in. Shout it go in, shout it go in. Booty hit the float in, slow motion. I'm so gone on patrol. I don't know how I'm getting home later on. Like, I ain't even know it. Get it started for the stage. Then the nigga start throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up, down. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing.
Yeah, and you know it. Look at how she throw it. Figured any bigger, baby girl gon' have to tow it. Sitting on the memes like Floyd, but she lied to you if she said I paid for it. Nigga, 99 broads, 99 broads. Panoramic view from the 99th floor. I'm like, my lord, when she down on all fours. Got a hood bitch with me, she ain't scared to take a charge. Flying by in a car, you don't know what you saw. She adjusting the bras and lighting up a cigar. They was writing me off, now I arrive like a star. I just sit back and laugh at the irony of it all. Let them bands go, let them bands go. Watch a nigga throw a grand of soap on that chemical. And we like, damn boy, why you cuffing that whore? The whole team smashed and you ain't even know it, God.
I ain't even know it, ain't know it. Take the car here to the stage, then you seen a nigga thought, throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up, down. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing.
I don't need like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business coming.
I don't know if this nigga having a mental breakdown or what, but baby, let me tell you something. Around these parts, we don't play like that. Oh yeah, I don't play like that. But yeah, I got everything I need. Now I'm about to head back to the house and we're gonna start cooking. Period.
Get the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, please don't beg. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no drink, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving suburbs, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time, and it pays you right. Rise up at night, we committed a crime. Where you belong, there's no sacred spot. We can't be outside, cause I'm against the crowd. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. Tell me so.
I don't know how to look.
In my business, got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Even let your mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I see if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I see if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one know thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I get bored. We fucking, we ain't making love no more. You took that talk, but he don't matter which too strong, whatever you want. Whatever you need, don't call me. Calling on the shadow, me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out, you choosing violence. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I need we can keep that, ain't nobody knows. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But I need you can keep that, ain't nobody knows it.
Real shit. Yeah, whoa. I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smarts and you can't get this out no book. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still write these hooks.
All time to get exposed, gang. Banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show, savage. Say you pussy and he hit it on the nose, but that border's open, why you acting like it's closed? I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas, or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms. My lawyer like objection.
Yeah, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with Coral Reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Met your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eat Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the Rhea.
Pot of Adderall, I feel like I could lift a tree up.
See too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature.
I jump on your song and make a label think they need you. For real.
On that bush, 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 on that bush.
Damn. Maybe I should do a 20. Maybe I should break that 20, do a 10. Maybe I should break that 10, do a 5. Then if it gets live, do a 5 again. If he held his tongue on that live, he'd be alive again. Damn. My uncle's sister knows she raised a real one, ill one. It's been 30 minutes, I don't feel none. Oh shit, wait a minute, think I'm starting to feel some. Where you get this motherfucking pill from? Heard they got some sanctions on my name. Heard they plotting on my name. Heard they banking on my name. I got leader in this bitch and he might spank it on a lane. I'm just in the cut, throwing Franklin's on her frame. I'm a gentleman, I'm generous. I blow $500,000 on you hoes. I'm a feminist. I never put no prices on the beef until we end the shit. I pay $500,000 for his soul. He my nemesis.
On that bush, 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 on that bush.
She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, on the dog, don't run. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, on the
he walks in and says, hey guys. And then at the end he says, bye.
No, anytime he see the camera on, that's when he starts saying, hey guys.
Okay, oh, you're right. Wait a minute. Mari, where we going?
I don't like what?
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Why you don't like it? See if my ball's alright.
Because I'm right here. And you guys are right here. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, I said Melissa Hurd come again.
That's not the first time we seen her though.
No, that's how I used to look. Yeah, I'm a groupie and I say what I think. Oh, we. Let's be like, no, hey, how you doing? No, he's so serious. All right, are you gonna eat? No? Okay, well, we'll save that for later.